English voice with adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns or pronouns. Remember, nouns are people, things, or places. Let's look at some example sentences with adjective and noun. I have a phone. I have a new phone. That is a puppy. That is a cute puppy. She is my friend. She is my quiet friend. The adjectives in these sentences are new, cute, quiet, and they describe the nouns phone, puppy, friend. Let's look at another example. They live in a house. House is the noun. The sentence becomes they live in a beautiful house. The adjective being beautiful that describes the noun house. Adverbs are words that are used to describe verbs. We can generally add ly to adjectives. Let's look at some example sentences with verb, noun, and adverb. My friend can run. My friend can run quickly. I can speak English. I can speak English well. I dance when I am tired. I dance badly when I am tired. Here we can see the verbs run, speak, dance are described by the adverb quickly, well, and badly. Let's look at another example. Adam greeted her every morning. Greeted is the verb, and the sentence becomes Adam cheerfully greeted her every morning. We see cheerfully, ly is the adverb that describes the verb greeted. We use adverbs before adjectives or other adverbs. Let's look at some example sentences with adverb and adjective or adverb. I like wine. I like terribly cheap wine. He runs quickly. He runs surprisingly quickly. I am sorry. I am terribly sorry. Let's look at another example. They have a garden. Garden is the noun, and the sentence becomes they have an extremely large garden. Extremely is the adverb with the ly, large is the adjective, and these describe the garden, the noun.